This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A group of farmers marching towards Bhopal protested in Narmadapuram on Monday, demanding 100% procurement of Moong and an e-token system for fertilizer distribution. The protesters broke through police barricades near the Narmada bridge. During the confrontation, one farmer broke down in tears and fell at the feet of Superintendent of Police Sai Krishna S. Thota, pleading, "Please buy our Moong crop." The SP helped him stand and hugged him. Meanwhile, Kisan Mazdoor Sangathan National President Leeladhar Singh Rajput was released, while around 40 farmer leaders remain in custody or under house arrest. The Bharatiya Janata Party has filed a complaint against Madhya Pradesh Congress President Jeetu Patwari before the Election Commission during the Datia Assembly by-election campaign. BJP alleged that Patwari made misleading and baseless remarks about Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav and government institution during a public meeting. The party claimed that such statements could confuse voters. During a rally on July 26, Patwari alleged that BJP planned to distribute ₹5,000 to voters through party workers and government officials. BJP has demanded action and sought restrictions on his election campaign. The Madhya Pradesh government has appointed additional Chief Secretary Manu Shrivastava as a member of the Civil Services Board. The decision comes after the appointment of the new Chief Secretary. The General Administration Department has issued official orders in this regard. As a board member, Manu Shrivastava will give his opinion on the transfer of IAS officer along with other members of the board. The Civil Services Board plays an important role in reviewing and recommending transfers of senior administrative officers. The move is expected to strengthen the administrative process in the state government. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav reached Datia on Monday as campaigning for the Datia Assembly by-election entered its final stage. He received a warm welcome at the airport from BJP leaders and local representatives. The Chief Minister first attended a meeting of the Kushwaha community and appealed for support for BJP candidate Ashutosh Tiwari. Later, he offered prayers at the famous Pitambara Mata temple. He also held a roadshow through the city. BJP State President Hemant Khandelwal, senior party leaders and a large number of party workers joined the campaign, showing strong support ahead of polling. The India Meteorological Department has issued a heavy rainfall alert for Madhya Pradesh from July 27 to July 30th. According to the Weather Department, a monsoon trough is passing through the state. A low pressure area and a depression are also active, while a western disturbance is expected to become active in the coming days. Because of this weather system, many districts may receive heavy to very heavy rainfall. People have been advised to stay alert, avoid unnecessary travel during heavy rain, and follow weather updates. Local authorities are also monitoring the situation closely.